the vertices of a triangle PQR are P into bracket 2 1, Q into bracket minus 2 3, R 4 5. Find the equation of the median through the point R. So in this triangle PQR, here M is a midpoint of the side PQR. If you join the points here R and M, then RM is called a median passing to the point R. Okay, here RM is called a median. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ point P ಮತ್ತೆ Q ದ midpoint M ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಿಂದು. R ಮತ್ತು M ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, median ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Median to the point R. Therefore, first you find M coordinate of M. Okay, therefore take your solution. Here P into bracket 2 1, then a Q minus 2 3 and a R 4 5 be the vertices of a triangle PQR. PQR ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು, vertices ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, then M is the midpoint of the PQ. Let M be the midpoint of the side PQ. Therefore, here use the midpoint formula. According to the midpoint formula, 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So 2 minus 2 divided by 2, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Therefore, this is equal to 2 minus 2 0. 0 upon 2 becomes 0. 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 2 becomes 2. So, this is M here, coordinate of M. So, this is the median here. Okay, the median passing through these 2 points here. So, use this 2-point formula. Okay, according to the 2-point formula, the line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. You are using that formula. Okay, therefore equation of median RM, equation of median RM is so y minus of so consider this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. So y minus y1 is 5 divided by y2 is here this one 2 minus 5. So 2 minus of 5, that is equal to x minus of x1 is 4 here. So write here 4 divided by x2 is this 0 minus 4. So 0 minus of 4. Okay, so coordinate of the point M is 0, 2. Okay, y minus y1 is 5, y2 is 2, 2 minus 5 is equal to x minus 4 divided by this is 0 minus 4. Okay, now you simplify y minus 5 divided by 2 minus 5 is the minus of 3 here, that is equal to x minus of 4 divided by minus 4 here. This becomes minus of 4. Okay. Next, take a minus 4 this side here, minus 3 this side. So minus 4 into y minus 5, that is equal to minus 3 into x minus 4. Minus 3 into x minus 4. Minus 4 into y, minus 4y, minus into minus plus 4 5 are 20. That is equal to minus 3 into x minus 3x minus into minus plus 4 3 are 12. Take both the term left side here. Minus 3x becomes plus 3x. Minus 4y. Minus 4y plus 20. Plus 20. Take it on the left side here. Minus 12 that is equal to 0. Hence 3x minus 4y 20 minus 12 is plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is a equation of the median passing to the point area. Okay, there are two more medians here. This medians ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಆರ್ಕಿಂದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. So n ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. This is also median. Okay, suppose here is one more point here. Take this one as area. Then join LQ. Then this is also what is LQ. Here they ask only median passing to R. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಡಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಡಿಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಇವೆರಡು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ n is the midpoint of QR. Okay, then use these 2 points here. P ಮತ್ತು n ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ L ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. L is the midpoint of PR. Find out midpoint here and take these 2 points here Q and L. ಅವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ Q ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ RM ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is the answer. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ನ G ದಿಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ meet at this point here. This point is called centroid of the triangle. Remember here. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line to the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6 here. Okay, this is the line here. PQ is the line. Coordinate of P is 2, 5 and the coordinate of Q is minus 3, 6 here. Take one more point minus 3, 5 here. Take this point as R. Here R is perpendicular to the line PQ here. Then we find the equation of this line RS. Okay, line perpendicular to PQ. You have to find the equation of this RS here. Therefore, here first to find the slope of the line PQ. Okay, later P into bracket 2, 5 Q into bracket minus 3, 6 be the points lies on a line here. Lies on a line. Okay, next letter RS is a line perpendicular to PQ where R is equal to minus 3, 5. Okay, coordinate of the point R is minus 3, 5. First to find the slope of this PQ. Okay, so slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is equal to, you know the formula, so slope formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 here. This is the formula. Okay, therefore slope of the line PQ 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 divided by minus 3 minus 2 here. Minus 3 minus 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 divided by minus 3 minus 2 is minus of 5. So 1 upon minus 5. Then the slope of RS here, this is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore slope of RS. Slope of RS is equal to, take its reciprocal, multiply minus n here. So it becomes plus 5 because you know that the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, L1 perpendicular to L2 if and only if product of the slope is -1 here. Okay, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ -1/5 ಇದೆ. ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಪ್ಪ -1/5 -1/5. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ by 5 then this becomes what here -1. 5 and 5 cancels, remaining is a -1 here. Therefore slope of PQ is -1/5. Then the slope of RS must be 5 because its the product is out here -1. Therefore you are using this condition here. Okay, so slope of the line PQ is -1/5. Slope of RS is 5. Take its a reciprocal. ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ವ್ಯುತ್ಕ್ರಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನೀವು. ಇದು ವ್ಯುತ್ಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ +5 ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. when two lines are perpendicular, when product of the slope is -1 here. This is an important condition here, remember it here. Okay, then here we want this line here, the line passing to the point having a slope of 5. Okay, so you know point and you know slope here, so use the point slope form here. You are using point slope form. Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x1. The line passing through a point here and with the slope m. Therefore equation of RS, therefore equation of RS is y minus y naught is 5, so write here 5 is equal to, so slope is this one here 5, so write here 5 into bracket x minus x naught is -3 here, minus of minus becomes +3. Okay, you are using y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So this part itself is x naught y naught here. This is x naught y naught and this is the slope m here. Therefore y minus y naught is 5, so write here 5, and the slope m is 5, so write here 5, and x minus, so here x minus x naught is a minus here, minus of minus becomes plus here. Take a 5 inside the bracket here, so y minus 5 is equal to 5 into x becomes 5x, 5 is 15 plus 50. Take both the term left side here, 5x becomes a minus of 5x here, plus y, so plus y, minus 5 minus 15 gives minus of 20, that is equal to 0. So multiplying both sides by -1 here, because we are taking the part term always positive, that's why multiplying both sides by -1 here. So that is 5x minus y plus 20, that is equal to 0. Okay, in usually ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ -1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5x minus 5 plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line here passing to the point -3 5 and perpendicular to the line passing to the point 2 5 and -3 6. So a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the points 1 0 and 2 3 divides it in the ratio 1:n. Find the equation of the line here. Okay, consider these two points here, P and Q, 1 0 and 2 3. They are already given here. The line passing through these 2 points here, and RS is one more line perpendicular to PQ here. Okay, RS is the perpendicular to PQ and it divides the PQ in the ratio 1:n here. This line divides the PQ in the ratio 1:n. Therefore, first we find coordinate of S using a section formula. Okay, therefore by section formula, formula. Okay, section formula is ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು s ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 1 into 2s, 1 into 2, then plus n into 1, n into 1 divided by 1 plus n, 1 plus n. Okay, ಮೊದಲು x coordinate ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 into 2, okay, 1 into 2, n into 1, n into 1 divided by 1 plus n. Now next take a y coordinates, 1 into 3. So 1 into 3, then plus n into 0, n into 0 divided by 1 plus n, 1 plus n. Yes, so this is equal to, so 2 1s are 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. Then this becomes a 0. 3 1s are 3 divided by 1 plus n. Okay, so this is a coordinate of point S. Need to find a slope of PQ. Okay. So slope of the line PQ. Slope of the line PQ is equal to, you know, formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 divided by 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 3 minus 0 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1 here. So this is equal to 3. Okay, this is a slope of the line PQ. Need to find a slope of the line RS here. RS is a perpendicular to PQ. Hence, slope of RS, slope of RS is equal to, take its reciprocal and multiply minus here, minus 1 upon 3. Okay, I told you that two lines are perpendicular if and only if product of the slope is minus 1. Okay, if this condition satisfies the matter, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ perpendicular ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈಗ PQ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ, 3 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು m3 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ minus 1 upon 3, then it's a product is what is minus 1. Yes, slope of this RS must be what is minus 1 upon 3. You are using this formula. Okay, then you know the slope here and the point. You know point S, coordinate of point S is this one. Okay, and slope of RS is minus 1 upon 3. So use here point slope form, point slope form here, because you know point and slope here. Okay, therefore equation of RS is, therefore equation of RS is y minus y naught. Y naught is this one. So 3 divided by 1 plus n, that is equal to, slope is this one here. So this m here. So minus of 1 upon 3 into x minus x naught is this here. So 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n. 1 plus n. Next take minus 1 upon 3 inside the bracket here and take this term right hand side here. So y is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x is minus 1 upon 3x. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. So 2 plus n, 2 plus n divided by 3 into 1 plus n. So 3 into bracket 1 plus n. Take this term inside here and take this on right hand side here, minus becomes a plus. So 3 divided by 1 plus n. 1 plus n. Therefore this is equal to, means y is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into x, keep as it is here. And from these two terms LCM is what here? LCM is 3 into 1 plus n here. So 3 into 1 plus n is the LCM. Okay, so here you not multiply anything here. You write 2 plus n as it is here. 2 plus n keep as it is. Because the LCM and the denominator both are same here. So write the numerator term keep as it is. But here 1 plus n is there. 1 plus n already there. But 3 not there. In 3 la. 3 in madi multiply madi. 3 3 is a 9. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus n ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 in time ಇದೆ. ಆ 3 ನೇ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 into 3 becomes 9. Therefore y is equal to minus of 1 upon 3x plus n plus 9 plus 2 becomes 11 divided by, so 3 into n plus 1. So this is a required equation of the linear. This is a equation of the line RS perpendicular to the line PQ, and it divides RS divides PQ in the ratio 1:n. Okay.